Oh, well, good morning. Happy Sunday morning. This morning is a little bit different for us as my husband and I and our daughter are going to be traveling a couple hours away to celebrate the anniversary of a church with them. Normally, I make our lunch following our second service, but this morning it's early for me, a little after 7, and I'm making some breadsticks. Going to put these in the oven. My husband always likes 3 breadsticks. I like a little one, and so does our daughter. And I'm reheating my marinara sauce I made last night. Going to be making some spaghetti. The muffins are going, and we'll be packing it all up and going to have a celebration with another church in another community today. That's how our day is going. And we can't forget our pre-made salads for the go with the ground seeds and salad dressing. We're all packed up. Pack this all up to take on our trips with us. We eat all of our meals are homemade. That's how we do things, eating whole foods, plant-based with no oil. Good morning, family. Good mornings. We're ready for our day trip. How far away are we going?
About an hour and a half.
Yeah. We do have to take a free road part of the time because of road construction, but we should be all good. Looking forward to getting there. It's a video. Yep, we hurried up to wait. It's the way to do it.
To intercede.
Se los diga a él.
Aleluya. Es pues mi privilegio estar aquí con ustedes. Que cuento a sus pastores como buenos amigos. Conocí al pastor hace más de 20 años ahorita. Era una de las primeras personas que había conocido en la República Mexicana. Entonces no hablaba casi nada de español y él aguantando todo eso, fue un shock en el principio, pues sigue siendo un shock con nosotros, ¿verdad? Esa es la cosa, pero como dice su pastor, pues yo soy un milagro. Y antes de todo, como me da esa invitación, pastor, voy a compartir un poquito del testimonio que tengo, no solamente de testimonio. En ese gran aniversario da gozo a Dios y podemos tener la certeza de eso. ¿Por qué? Porque tenemos esas dos cosas enlazadas que Pertences nos había comunicado. El último aspecto con que se relaciona es esa sabiduría de lo que hemos tocado en varios momentos, la santidad. Una persona no puede subir en la cosecha. Quiere ofrecer tu vida para su servicio. Entonces el Señor comienza a hacer la obra que te corresponde. Comienza a bautizar. Todos ustedes llevan un significado, un reconocimiento. Les voy a leer Dice, celebramos con mucha alegría.
These ladies are from the church, and they brought their taco stand over and set it up in front of the church entrance to serve the people tacos barbacoa, which is a specialty taco from Guadalajara for breakfast for the celebration today.
Pero sobre todo mucho amor a Dios. Lo hacemos por amor a Cristo. Porque decidimos ser esclavos por amor, por voluntad propia. El costo de no hacer nada implica estar cómodo, recibiendo la bendición que Dios nos dio. Y nos permite para bendecir a otros.
This here is going to be beef broth. It also has cilantro. Cilantro, you understand. Onion. Tiene ajo también. It has garlic and a little bit of arbol chili. And then this here is it's just oil. ¿Qué tiene el aceite?
Este sí, aceite y chile para que se haga rojo.
Okay, and it has some chili in it so that makes it red. So oil and chili. It's been a long day. It's about 6 o'clock. We're going home finally. Kaylee got her crema. What is it called? Crema. Is there anything left? Well, it's almost 7 o'clock. It's good to be getting home. We're almost there.